So, here it is, folks. The moment that we've all been waiting for, the XTS. But let's be honest, did we actually think we were going to get an XTS, an upgraded version this year? I certainly didn't. Now, this video, as mentioned, is just the unboxing. There will be a separate setup video and comparison video with the XT. So if you haven't already, please smash subscribe. It's right below this little image you're watching. And while you're there, hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload more XTS content. So, no more blue balling you. Let's get this thing opened. Here's my trusty jerry rig knife. Now, of course, it's the same premium packaging from Huawei. However, keen-eyed amongst you will notice that the actual Huawei logo has changed. Yes, they've had a bit of a rebrand and they've got, and they've got a new icon that you can see just here in certain lights. But as always, red sleeve with the black box inside. So, let's take off the sleeve. We'll pop that to the side. In fact, we'll pop that on the ground. Huawei Ultimate design as usual. On the side here, you can see, well, you probably won't be able to see, it's all in Chinese. This is the Chinese version because the XTS only comes in Chinese. I have a 0.5 terabyte storage, and I'm not going to give away the colour yet. Although, if I'm being honest, it's probably in the thumbnail, so damn it. It's purple. I went for purple. I've also ordered a white one. Don't ask me why. Just nod and agree with me. So we'll pop that to the side just now. I'm expecting a few nice things in here, and Huawei do not disappoint. Now, obviously, we have our charging brick, which is super small considering it's, I want to say, 80 watts. USB-C port on there. You also have a car charger for those that still have car lighters. You have a dual port car charger included in the box as well. That's pretty nifty. What do we have in here? SIM ejection tool, as always. This is going to be our case. Oh yeah. So there is that purple colour. That hue is deeper than I expected. It looks nice. Now, it's important to note, this is still the Huawei kickstand case, which, there we go. But it's a full screen protector this time. So if I just take this away, it covers the full screen and, more importantly, display when it's folded. And fear not, this is a smart cover. So this will show your notifications, the time, the date, all other stuff that I'm sure is customizable as well. So that's a sneak peek at how the purple colour will look. And yeah, I like it. But let's continue. This is, I guess, a travel charger. So my assumption is in here is like a main charger, maybe? Or is it just going to be a cable? Cable and... oh, yeah. Cable and cable. 2 USB-C to C cables, which is, yeah, fine. One of them may be USB-A to C. We don't need to bother checking that. So that's your unboxing experience. Let me just swiftly tidy this all up a bit. And here it is, the device. Typical, usual, large camera bump, which does have a triple camera setup with a 5x optical zoom. This camera setup is no slouch on the Mate XT, but you don't care about specs just now. You just want to see how it looks. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Yeah, as I say, I've ordered the white one, but this purple is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I think case-wise, the case they've made slightly darker. I was expecting the case to be more like this colour, but that's okay. It looks pretty goddamn good. This is your 10.2 inch tri-fold phone. Yes, I know it only folds twice, like so, but because it's got 3 panels, it gets away with being called a tri-fold. But to me, yeah, it's not a tri-fold, it's a bifold. So, hinge feels super premium. Hinges feel super premium. The design is obviously, as you can see, absolutely stunning with the gold lettering, the gold accents around the side and then at the hinge parts. I have to be honest, I had a conversation with Anakin and we were kind of both hoping that this would be silver rather than gold, but in real life I think it looks pretty goddamn good. And of course, crease wise, because of the way it folds, they're not deep creases at all. Obviously, you can see them in certain lights. Let's just power this up and see if it's got some juice. I'm sure it does. Here it goes. And in terms of specifications, listen, go to GSM Arena. You will see the specs. It is not a complete game changer compared to the XT. In fact, off the top of my head, I can't really think of many things that have changed other than the colour. There's a smart case on. Yeah, this is going to feel much safer to carry around, more pocketable, because even with the Huawei case on, there's still that screen is exposed. With this case, your whole screen is covered and you've got the kickstand still included. So obviously this is not a global version. This is the Chinese version. So I will do a video doing the setup, how to get Aurora Store and Google applications on it, so that hopefully my XTS is like my original XT, full of all the Google apps that I need, the YouTube, and yeah, again, I don't see any difference in terms of creases. Your main differences are just going to be in the design. The red colour still looks absolutely stunning. The purple and white are just something different. Specifications wise, I cannot stress enough, there is no major difference between these two phones. The biggest difference is price just now. Because the XTS is so hot, you can get it for around £3,000 on the average Dad Tech store, but obviously you've got discounts there, bank transfer discounts to bring down that price quite a lot. Whereas the global version of the XT is down to £2,600, but again, even cheaper with bank discounts through the average Dad Tech store. So check it out. I still believe until I use the XTS, you're paying a premium for new colours. That's basically what you're paying for, in my opinion, right now. So if you are looking to purchase a tri-folding phone, you can wait for the Samsung menu style one, or you can save some money and get the XT. Or if you're like me and you want the latest and greatest in new colours, then you have the purple and white hues of the XTS. Hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll be back tomorrow with the setup video, and I will go into more detail about the differences between the two phones. Even though there's not many, there are still a couple to mention. Until next time,